Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Fluent English Podcast. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul.
We're so happy you're here.
Whether you're drinking coffee,
Tea,
water,
or pretending to work while watching YouTube,
we appreciate you.
today's lesson is one of the most useful real-life English conversations you'll ever learn.
Because coffee shops are everywhere.
Exactly. And Starbucks is one of the most common places where English learners practice speaking.
Honestly, coffee shops are like mini English classrooms.
That's true. You order, you ask questions, you listen, you respond.
And hopefully you don't accidentally order 7 coffees.
Did that happen to you?
I don't want to talk about it.
Before we start, don't forget to subscribe if you enjoy learning English through real conversations.
And if today's lesson helps you, give this video a like.
Ready?
I'm ready.
Let's walk into Starbucks.
Section 1. Walking into Starbucks. Okay, Emily, I've entered Starbucks. Now what?
First, relax. Most English learners think they need perfect English. You don't. You only need clear communication.
That's good news, because perfect English and I are still getting to know each other.
When you walk in, you'll usually join the line.
And then I wait.
Exactly. While you're waiting, you can look at the menu.
The menu is always huge.
It can feel overwhelming, but here's a secret. Most native speakers don't know every item either.
Really?
Of course. Sometimes I stare at the menu and still order the same thing.
That makes me feel better.
Practice phrase. Let's practice. Repeat after me. Can I see the menu?
Can I see the menu?
Again. Can I see the menu?
Can I see the menu?
Perfect.
Reaching the counter.
Barista. Hi there. What can I get started for you today?
Okay, pause. That's a long sentence.
It sounds long, but it simply means, what would you like to order?
Ah, Americans love making simple things sound longer.
Sometimes that's true.
So how do I answer?
Very simply, you can say, I'd like a coffee, please.
Easy.
Or, can I get a latte?
Can I get a latte?
Exactly. Mini story.
When I first visited an American coffee shop, I was nervous.
What happened?
The employee asked, "What can I get started for you?" And I replied, "Yes."
Just yes?
Just yes. We looked at each other for 5 seconds. Nobody knew what was happening.
That's amazing.
Then I pointed at a muffin.
Communication solved.
Exactly.
Useful ordering phrases. Let's practice. Repeat after me. I'd like a coffee.
I'd like a coffee.
Can I get a cappuccino?
Can I get a cappuccino?
I'll have a latte.
I'll have a latte.
Excellent.
Real conversation example.
Barista. Hi, what can I get for you?
Customer. I'd like a medium latte, please.
Barista. Hot or iced?
Customer. Iced, please.
Barista. Anything else?
Customer. That's all.
Barista. Great.
Common question. Paul. Emily, why do they always ask so many questions?
Because coffee can be customized.
Customized?
Yes. Hot or iced, small, medium, or large, regular milk or alternative milk, extra flavor, less sugar, more sugar.
Coffee ordering is like building a house.
Sometimes it feels that way.
I just want caffeine.
And Starbucks wants details. Speaking practice. Let's practice together. I'll ask, you answer. Ready?
Ready.
What would you like?
I'd like a coffee, please.
Hot or iced?
Hot, please.
Anything else?
That's all. Thank you.
Excellent. Viewers, repeat those answers out loud. Speaking is how confidence grows. Not by reading, not by memorizing, by speaking.
Confidence tip. Can I make grammar mistakes?
Of course, everyone makes mistakes.
Even native speakers?
Especially native speakers.
That's comforting.
Remember this. People in coffee shops care more about understanding you than judging you.
That's an important lesson.
Exactly. Don't wait for perfect English. Use the English you already have.
Curiosity loop. Okay, I order my coffee. But then comes the most confusing part,
The name?
the name.
Oh, yes. That's where many funny stories begin.
Trust me, you do not want to miss what happened when somebody misunderstood my name.
We'll talk about that next. Stay with us. Section 2. What's your name? Welcome back. So, Paul, you ordered your coffee. Now comes an important moment.
The moment I become famous?
Not exactly. The barista usually asks for your name.
Right, and that's where things get interesting.
Very interesting.
Common Starbucks conversation.
Barista. Can I get your name?
Customer. Paul.
Paul?
Yes,
Great.
that sounds easy.
Usually it is, but sometimes coffee shops are noisy,
Very noisy.
and names can be difficult to hear.
Paul's funny story. Okay, true story. One day a barista asked my name. I said, Paul. She wrote something on the cup. A few minutes later, I heard, pizza.
No,
Yes, she wrote pizza.
that's incredible.
For 5 minutes, I was looking around wondering where the pizza was. Then I realized I was the pizza.
That's amazing.
Speaking practice.
Let's practice introducing your name. Repeat after me. My name is Anna.
My name is Anna.
My name is David.
My name is David.
It's Sarah.
It's Sarah.
Excellent.
If they don't understand my name,
Good question. You can spell it. For example, my name is Paul. P-A-U-L.
simple.
Very simple.
Mini role play.
Barista. What's your name?
Customer. Rahul.
Sorry?
Rahul. R-A-H-U-L.
Got it. Thank you.
You're welcome. Useful phrase.
Repeat after me. Let me spell that.
Let me spell that.
Again, let me spell that.
Let me spell that. Hot or iced?
Emily, this question always surprises me. Which one?
Hot or iced?
That's one of the most common coffee shop questions.
Hot means warm. Iced means cold with ice.
Simple enough. Let's practice. Repeat after me. I'd like it hot.
I'd like it hot.
I'd like it iced.
I'd like it iced.
Real conversation. Barista. Would you like that hot or iced?
Customer. Iced, please.
Sure. Anything else?
Customer. No thanks. Paul's confession. Can I admit something embarrassing?
Always.
One time I ordered an iced coffee during winter,
That's normal.
while it was snowing outside at night.
Okay, that's a little extreme.
My hands were frozen, but my coffee was colder.
That's dedication.
Choosing a size.
Now let's talk about sizes.
The part that confuses everyone.
Some coffee shops use small, medium, and large. Others use special names.
And that's when my brain starts buffering.
Don't worry, you can always ask.
Useful question.
Repeat after me. What sizes do you have?
What sizes do you have?
Again, what sizes do you have?
What sizes do you have?
Real example.
Customer. What sizes do you have?
Barista. Small, medium, and large.
Customer. I'll take a medium.
Natural response. Another common phrase is, I'll take a medium.
I like that. Short and easy. Speaking practice.
Repeat after me. I'll take a small.
I'll take a small.
I'll take a medium.
I'll take a medium.
I'll take a large.
I'll take a large.
Adding flavors.
Now things get dangerous.
Dangerous how?
Yes, chocolate, caramel, vanilla, hazelnut. My self-control disappears.
That's very true. Many people feel the same way.
Useful expressions.
Repeat after me. Can I add vanilla syrup?
Can I add vanilla syrup?
Can I get caramel flavor?
Can I get caramel flavor?
Can I have less sugar?
Can I have less sugar?
Real conversation. Barista. Would you like any flavor?
Customer. Yes, can I add vanilla syrup?
Of course. Anything else?
Customer. No, that's perfect.
Understanding anything else.
I hear this phrase all the time.
Which one?
Anything else?
Very common. It simply means, do you want something more?
Response options.
You can answer, that's all.
That's all.
Or, no thanks.
No thanks.
Or, that's everything.
That's everything.
Mini practice. Barista says, anything else? What do you say?
That's all, thank you.
Perfect. Again.
No thanks, that's all.
Excellent.
A little English challenge.
Okay, listeners, let's test your English. Imagine you're standing at the counter. The barista asks, what can I get for you today? Pause the video and answer out loud.
Did you answer?
Good. Now let's continue. The barista asks, what size would you like? Pause again. Answer.
I like this exercise. It feels real.
Exactly. The more realistic the practice, the faster your English improves.
Encouragement moment. Emily, can I say something?
Of course.
Many people watching this understand English, but they're afraid to speak.
That's very true.
They're worried about mistakes, pronunciation, grammar, embarrassment.
If that's you, remember this. Every fluent speaker was once a beginner. Every confident speaker was once nervous. And every conversation is practice, not a test.
I love that. Practice, not perfection.
Exactly.
Curiosity loop. Okay, we've ordered. We've given our name. We've chosen our size. We've customized our drink. Now comes another important situation.
Paying for the order.
Yes, and sometimes the cashier speaks very fast,
We'll help everyone understand those conversations next.
including one phrase that confused me for months.
Stay with us because that's coming up next. Section 3. Paying for your order. Welcome back, everyone. You have ordered your drink. Now it's time to pay.
The moment when my wallet gets nervous.
Exactly. But don't worry, the English here is usually simple.
Common conversation.
Cashier, your total is $5.75.
Customer. Here you go.
Cashier, thank you.
Paul. Wait, what does your total is mean?
Emily, great question. It means the final price you need to pay.
Simple. I like simple.
Speaking practice. Repeat after me. How much is it?
How much is it?
Again, how much is it?
How much is it?
Excellent.
More useful phrases.
Repeat after me. Can I pay by card?
Can I pay by card?
Can I pay with cash?
Can I pay with cash?
Do you accept credit cards?
Do you accept credit cards?
The fast English problem.
Emily, can I be honest?
Always.
Sometimes Americans speak so fast that I only understand 3 words.
That's normal.
One time I understood coffee, today, and thanks. Everything else disappeared.
Many learners experience that.
Common fast phrase.
Cashier, would you like a receipt with that?
See? What was that?
It sounds fast, but they're asking, would you like a receipt with that?
A receipt, the paper showing what I bought.
Exactly.
Response options.
You can answer, yes, please.
Yes, please.
Or, no, thank you.
No, thank you. Don't be afraid to ask. What if I don't understand?
Ask them to repeat. That's completely okay.
Even native speakers do that.
Absolutely.
Important phrases.
Repeat after me. Could you repeat that?
Could you repeat that?
Again. Could you repeat that?
Could you repeat that?
Excellent. Now this one. Could you speak a little slower?
Could you speak a little slower?
Perfect. Real life scene. Cashier, would you like a receipt with that?
Customer. Sorry? Could you repeat that?
Cashier, would you like a receipt?
Customer. No, thank you.
Cashier, no problem.
Waiting for your drink.
Now you've paid. What happens next?
The waiting game.
Exactly. You move to the pickup area.
And then everybody starts staring at random drinks.
Yes, waiting for their name.
Real Starbucks scene.
Barista, Large iced latte for Sarah.
Everyone looks up.
Then nobody moves.
Because nobody is Sarah.
Exactly.
Listening practice.
Let's practice hearing names. Ready?
Ready.
Anna,
Anna.
David,
David.
Michael,
Michael.
Jessica.
Jessica.
Picking up your drink. Barista. Paul,
Customer. That's me.
barista. Here's your drink.
Customer. Thank you.
Barista. Enjoy.
Speaking practice.
Repeat after me. That's me.
That's me.
Again. That's me.
That's me. More natural responses.
You can also say, thank you,
Thank you.
or have a great day.
Have a great day. Funny coffee shop moment. Can I tell another embarrassing story?
Please do.
A barista called my name. I walked over confidently, grabbed the drink, sat down, took a sip.
Uh-oh.
It wasn't mine.
No.
Someone else's drink. Different order, different name, different everything.
What happens?
I had to return it. Most embarrassing moment ever.
Well, at least now you have a story.
That's true. Small talk at Starbucks.
Sometimes employees make small talk.
That can be scary for learners.
Not if you know these simple responses.
Example.
Barista. How's your day going?
Customer. Pretty good, thanks. How about you?
Barista. Doing well. Thanks for asking.
Speaking practice.
Repeat after me. Pretty good.
Pretty good.
Not bad.
Not bad.
Doing well.
Doing well.
Mini role play. How's your day going?
Pretty good. How about you?
Doing well. Thanks.
See? That's easy.
Exactly. Small talk doesn't need complicated English.
Common mistakes learners make. Emily, what mistakes do learners often make?
Great question. Let's look at a few.
Mistake number 1.
Wrong. I want coffee.
Better. I'd like a coffee.
Mistake number 2.
Wrong. Give me latte.
Better. Can I get a latte?
Mistake number 3.
Wrong. What?
Better. Sorry, could you repeat that?
Mistake number 4.
Wrong. Silence when confused.
Better. Ask questions.
That last one is important.
Very important. Communication is more important than perfect grammar.
Quick review game.
Let's review. I'll ask, you answer. Ready?
Ready.
What would you like?
I'd like a latte, please.
Hot or iced?
Iced, please.
What size?
Medium.
Anything else?
That's all, thank you.
Can I get your name?
Paul. Paul.
Perfect.
Encouragement break. You know what?
What?
I think many viewers and already have this conversation.
I agree. Maybe not perfectly, but they can do it.
And every conversation makes them stronger.
Exactly. Confidence grows through action, not waiting, not worrying, action.
Curiosity loop. We've learned ordering, paying, names, small talk, but what if you want food too?
Good question. Breakfast sandwiches, muffins, cookies, croissants?
Now we're speaking my language.
In the next section, we'll learn how to order food naturally in American English.
And I'll probably get hungry.
Almost certainly.
Don't go anywhere. The conversation is just getting started.